Our world is big, let's take a look. There are continents all over the globe. Each continent has animals too. Let's travel the world and meet a few. Australia, kangaroo, hopping fast from me and you. Strong back legs, jump up high. Watch the kangaroo go bye-bye. South America, sloths so slow, hanging in trees, not much to show. Takes its time all day long, slow and steady, calm and strong. Your brown bear, big and wide, furry body, heavy stride, sleeping deep through winter days, waking up when sunshine stays. Across the continents we go, fast and slow, from sand to snow. On every continent we find animals of every kind. Africa, tiger, orange and black, moving quietly down the track. Careful steps and watchful eyes, zooms away in one surprise. Antarctica, penguin, black and white, always together, standing tight. Sliding on the ice so free, swimming in the icy sea. North America, bison strong, walking together all day long. Big and fluffy, head held high, thundering past as herds go by. Asia, pandas, soft and round, resting where the trees are found. Chewing bamboo, their favorite food, always in a happy mood. Across the continents we go, fast and slow, from sand to snow. On every continent we find animals of every kind. 7 continents, one big earth, animals living all around. We've reached the end, our song is done. Animals everywhere under the sun.